What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at Tesla stock. Guys, I'll take you over a lot of data. We had earnings yesterday. Things are skyrocketing. Tesla is bulletproof now. This is looking awesome. There's a lot of news as well that we have. Well, besides that, I'll take you over the options data as well because again, I'm seeing some crazy stuff happening. I just don't get it why traders just don't take into account certain things before taking options. But anyways, I will take you over some analysts, what they are saying as well now after earnings, and then most importantly, we'll take a look at the price action as well at the once we are done through all other stuff. So, and well, in this price action, you will get to know that is Tesla going to keep going up, or with this red candle, does it mean something that things may slow down, or what we need to be looking for, guys? So by the end of this video, you would know how to take any trades if you are looking for those trades, and if Tesla cools off, what are the levels to watch, and for any confirmations of some type, long or short, we'll talk about all those theses in this video. So guys, with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes. Okay, so first I want to take you over a couple of analysts. Well, before that, actually, let's get my day trading bot and swing bot out of the way, because on the swing we have some position as well now. So let's go to the 5 minutes first on Tesla. So today also we got a good play on this. You can see good buying positions. This is the last 30 trades of data here, looking great, profitable. So all in all, that was great. Let's also take a look at swing bot, because the bot gave the swing bot position on the buy side yesterday. It's already in the profit, and so looking great as well. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 trading bots and 2 indicators that you see in my videos, and those are the ones I use for my day trading and swing trading as well. All right, so these are the 2 things I want to just first wanted to get out of the way. And now let's talk about, let's go to the daily interval first, and let's talk about what analysts are saying. So Tesla is maintained at reduced by HSBC. So they say they are still cutting price target down to $120 from $138. Now, before going further, guys, I do want to apologize. Sorry, I forgot to mention one thing when I covered Tesla yesterday, and that is, oops, sorry, that's my channel, that they will be focusing on their newer model, cheaper models on Tesla, and they will be doing on the, I think, current lineup. But yes, that's something I forgot to mention in my video, that they will be focusing more on, also they are not scraping off the plan of cheaper models. They will be building those, and you can expect them, more timeline Elon Musk will talk about when they do the Robotaxi on 8th of August, and then, but they're expecting next year those models. So yeah, they're not slowing down. So just wanted to surface that because I forgot to talk about it in my yesterday video of Tesla. So this is hilarious. HSBC gonna lose their shirt here, in my opinion. When I show you the options data, you will laugh actually. So yeah, this is ridiculous. They are just trying to double down. Like earnings, yes, they miss on the earnings, but the forward-looking guidance is so great, and HSBC says, how dare they, right? They're like, nope, we're still gonna downgrade. They're just trying to double down. Maybe they may have their short position, so they're just trying to create the downward pressure. And as I said, I'll show you the options data. You will be like, oh wow, what is this, right? So okay, that's that. Then we have Uber and Lyft stocks falling today due to robotaxi worries, because Elon Musk said yesterday that, hey guys, wait, we're gonna do our ride hailing as well on Tesla. So Uber and Lyft are in pressure, so they're down today. Then we have Tesla is maintained at sell by whoever this ridiculous thing is, Guggenheim, whatever. Oh, I'm sorry guys, they're still maintained at sell, but they raised the price target a little bit to 126 from 122. I don't know what's the point of doing it, but anyways, Jim Cramer, did I read that right? Yeah, that was right. Okay. Jim Cramer says Tesla stock could climb to $175 today on back of Elon Musk comments. Everything was bad, it's now good. Okay, great. All right, this is a good one actually. Tesla is maintained at outperformed by RBC Capital, and they are still at $293 from $294, just $1 difference, but They're still high above just shy of $300, so that's awesome. All right, I just take this as a grain of salt, guys. All the analysts, I like to do technicals, but let's talk about these options real quick, guys. So we everything is looking bullish on Tesla right now after that huge gap up on the earnings yesterday. Let me show you on the hourly interval. You can see we had a huge, great gap up on Tesla here, right? And it's hilarious that how puts options are still increasing or down here at 140. You can see bright red are from today's puts option. They're increasing down at 135, 130, 120. This is hilarious. Black is the current closing price today, and silver is from 2 days ago closing price. Yesterday and today closing price is closer, like to yesterday's post-market price, right? Because I took that into account, the move that happened yesterday. So calls are looking great. Today's calls are in the money over here, and then we still have calls increasing at 160, 170, and 175 are still standing strong. But this is hilarious. These puts coming down here, increasing now. This is hilarious. These are for the expiration of this week. This is ridiculous. I don't know why traders try to play more puts here. So anyways, yeah, that's just surprising data. Okay, guys, let's go to the technicals here. And Tesla is a little bit red now in the post market, $1 down. That's fine. So guys, let's start off with the daily interval. So what are we seeing with Tesla is we rejected below 20 days moving average, right? We closed below that. But remember what I was saying, that if we can maintain above $160 today, that is still good enough. I would definitely wanted to see it above 163.94 since we did go up for a brief moment, but then you can see we closed the day below 20 days moving average though. Now, however, guys, this is where you want to see a break to the upside, right? Like, yes, I showed you my day trading bot. I showed you swing bot as well. It has a long position opened on it. What we want to see is continuation to the upside. Tesla is looking great though. It is changing the structure, and the change of structure is definitely above $164. We want to close a day above that and above 20 days moving average. Because if I take you to the hourly interval, look at it. Where today Tesla is finding a lot of this consolidation, it's in the same resistance zone where it was the prior support, and we flushed. Once we flushed, this became a resistance. So today you can see the amount of consolidation we are getting over here. So it's very important to get out and above that, right? You can see this is where also we had the previous lot of consolidation and pivot support to the upside. So right now this resistance that is being met, it's in the region for the reason, okay? So we definitely want to get out and above it. Now, let's say, for example, if we cool off, junior trader, is a Tesla gonna go bearish? No. Well, when I say no, Tesla is, yes, on intraday levels and swing, it's already bullish. We just want to see more structural confirmation above this level of 164 because that just gives us confirmation of continuation. Swing is already long as per my bot as well. We are already in that play. But as I said, nothing is guaranteed. We need to have stop loss, but structure is what we need to focus on here. So let's go to the daily interval. Guys, yeah, if we see a cool off, I would still take that as fine as long as we are not breaking below 152 and 32 cents. We want to stay above this significant level and then make a leg up. This will be a daily interval, a higher pivot still. And then if we break out of 164, that's still fine. Tesla is still bullish. As long as Tesla is above 152 and 32 cents, in my opinion, on the swing side, we are still bullish. But if this pullback comes, it comes. And yeah, if tomorrow, guys, it's either tomorrow we're going to get a cool off to that level, or we're going to break out and above of $164. I want to see it break above $164. Right now, we are still holding above 200 hours moving average, but it all comes down to if tomorrow we stay above 160 and 45 cents and also 20 hours moving average, or if we break these levels, then you can expect that cool off that I'm saying all the way down to 153 and 75 cents or $152 range. And then we want to see a pullback over there, right? And then back to the upside. But below that, then things will be like, okay, it's not, then at the moment it's not happening, okay? So if we want to keep this uptrend and go back to $200, we don't want to break $152 range, okay? That's very important now. Other than that, let's take a look at 5 minutes interval again. Yeah, this is something I'm not liking right now, the way it's a little bit selling off. But yeah, this is the area, guys. If post market we don't break below 160 and 52 cents, that's very important for us, and we want to stay above this. Tomorrow we want to get above $164, right? If we lose 160 and 44 cents, as I said, yes, the cool off may come. We definitely have this area of 115 and 38 cents, but most likely it might not hold eventually then. Yeah. So if you want to stay intraday bull as well, then 160 and above we need to stay. And then definitely tomorrow, if we can close above 168, that's awesome. If tomorrow we can just even close above 20 days moving average, that's still awesome. So hopefully you got my point, but yes, structure has shifted. Structure is to the upside as long as we are staying above 152 and 45 cents where the price is right now. And once we get to the level of 176, then if we do a pullback, we want to stay above 20 days moving average and above 164 to maintain this bullish structure, okay? So it's all about the structure, guys, okay? So yes, right now, structure is looking good. Tesla, we just want to get out of this ongoing resistance, right? As to get to the next level, next stage, right? And accordingly, we manage the position in and out, size in, size out, and stop losses. But again, I only cover educational opinions here. You go and do whatever you want to do financially. That's up to you. And yeah, and I do my trades based on my the way I trade is pretty much what I'm telling, but I am only telling this as an educational opinion. Nothing is financial advice, and you are responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'm just sharing my opinion, nothing more than that. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I want to show you the weekly interval as well, actually. So weekly interval is looking good. It all comes down to if this week we close up at $164, right? That is already winning above one of the pivots. That is awesome. Then next week we are looking back to the upside. And then this could be a start on the weekly interval, inverted head and shoulder, which means we are shooting straight to almost above $230 range then eventually. So that's important as well. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. A lot more video will be coming out. And today, QQQ, SPY, Meta is having their earnings. I'll talk about that as well in another video. I did one video on NVIDIA this morning. Check that out on my channel, but I'll do another video in a couple of minutes, or it will be coming out soon today. Another one for the update once as the market has closed. Check out SMCI, Palantir, AMD as well if you're interested. All right, guys, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.